Hey YouTube. Gonna do this beach festival song in Vertigo. Basically the whole song is in E. Right, we're playing it here at the 7th fret. You have an E power chord right here, 7, and then 9/9 on 7's on the A, and then 9/9 on the D. G. That's not what they're playing, but almost. They're taking their middle finger and playing. So we do have 7 on the A, and then we have the D string. We're playing that at the 9th, and then we're playing the G string at the 8th. So like that. And then even though we're kind of barring the 7th fret all the way, we're really just hitting those 3 strings. But because it's E, you can hit the low E. It's fine. They're not featuring that, but you can leave it open. And they're playing single coil guitars, no distortion, and they got tons of reverb. So this is the basic chord shape. Now you could, I saw some people were putting a capo here on the 7th, and I'll show you that in a second. Because what you got to do is then you got to take your pinky and go on the G string at the 11th. And then after you do that once, then you got to take your pinky in and play the D string at the 11th. And you got to keep in mind there's 2 guitars in the band. That's the basic riff of the whole song. You see I'm getting that low E in there. It sounds great. Alright, and then the guitar, it's no surprise, is kind of playing out of that E scale. It all right here, the lead lines. So that is a 9th on the G, 9th on the B, 12 on the B, 11 on the high E. You could also just play it all on the G string. Except for the final note, I like to play it on the B string. Even if I'm climbing up, I play the final note on the B at the 16th fret. That's the same as the high E at the 11th. Either one's fine. Let me show you the capo way. Take a capo, put it on your 7th fret, and then what that does is it allows you just to play one of the notes with your index finger. It makes it easier to reach the G. So, it's fine to use that. I don't think the beach festivals use the capo at all, but it's fine if you want to use it. I tried to find a live performance of this song, but I couldn't find it. But in the process of watching a lot of beach fossils, I never once saw the music capo, so that's why I think they're playing it the first way I showed you. But again, it's 2 guitars. The singer is just playing this part. The reason I didn't do this song before was I was confused because there's a demo version of this song that's totally different. Anyways, that's how you play it. Beach Fossils in Vertigo. Thanks for the people who requested that. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.